So we got a package, and you know, in the idea of social media, we're gonna unbox it. It's all the way from France because a French person
Lives in the house.
lives in the house and ordered this. I am crazy excited about this. If you know me and Gail, you know why we're excited about this. Okay, I know I'm teasing. God, French companies, they close it well, eh? Ooh, it's 2 boxes.
It's a box in a box.
It's an infinite. Okay. Ooh. Okay. You're seeing this. I am very excited about this. These are notebooks, but they're not just notebooks. Look. They are notebooks with the Flock logo.
What is it for?
So, thanks for asking. We have notebooks for the students that are joining us in the second semester if they subscribe before the 1st of March. So, if you want to do that, if you want to join us in the second semester, then, you know,
The cat is very happy with, with the box. Like,
people in our house are happy. So, you get this. We love notebooks, and we're happy to hand them to anyone who wants to join us for the second semester and basically supports live theater when we can do it again. So, if you like this, subscribe before the 1st of March.
thank you.